In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Discord. If you're dealing with unwanted messages or just need a little peace and quiet, blocking is a quick way to stop a user from contacting you without making a scene. It hides their messages for you, prevents direct messages from getting through, and they won't be notified that you blocked them. First, open Discord on your desktop or in a browser. The steps are the same in both places, so use whichever you prefer. Give the app a moment to load your servers and chats so everything is up to date. Next, navigate to a server channel or a direct message where the person has sent something recently. Blocking is easiest when you can see a message from them because you'll be acting directly on their profile from that message. If you're in a busy server, scroll until you find their post. Take a second to confirm you've got the right person by looking at their avatar and username so you don't accidentally block someone else. Now hover over their message and right-click their username or avatar. On a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click. On a Mac mouse, a control click works as well. This opens a context menu that gives you several options tied to that user. From that menu, select Block. It's typically listed alongside options like viewing their profile or sending a message, but you'll want the one clearly labeled Block. Choosing this tells Discord you no longer want to receive messages from that user. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm the block. That extra step is just there to make sure you didn't click it by accident. After you confirm, here's what changes. Their existing messages in shared servers and DMs may appear collapsed with a small notice, so your chat stays uncluttered. They won't be able to send you new direct messages, and if you share servers, their new posts will be hidden by default on your end. This is different from muting or unfollowing a channel, because it specifically targets a single user across Discord rather than the whole server or conversation. Blocking also won't alert the other person. They simply won't be able to reach you. If you ever notice their messages again, double-check that you completed the confirmation. And if you made the choice in the heat of the moment, don't worry. Blocking isn't permanent, and you can change it later. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, go to a conversation where they've posted, right-click their name or avatar, choose Block, and confirm.